What's up, guys? This is Josh from Fresh Start Customs. Coming to you today, if you couldn't tell, with a bagel laser engraving. It's probably going to be my last food engraving. If you guys want more, I can do more, but I'm just going to have to throw away the food afterwards because it won't be laser safe once I start using this machine for other materials. So let's go ahead and get started here. And we're going to do just these 3 stars on each half of the bagel, one on the center and one on the outside. Just to get the settings, I'm going to go full 70 power and 50 power just to see what they look like. And then I'll backtrack to the word bagel afterwards, with whichever one looks the best, and we'll go from there. So let's get started. I want to keep this as short as possible this time around because you guys seen it multiple times before. So let's go from there, and I hope this helps you guys out. Alright, you guys, as you can see, we have 3 different variations of shading on these stars. One other thing to note is I did remove the crumb tray for this one to make up the difference. You just subtract the height of the material that you stack up underneath, in this case the bagel, but any other material that you're going to use, minus your crumb tray height. And you want to measure your crumb tray height on your own because each machine is different. My other machine is 1.391 inches. This one's 1.375 inches. So definitely measure that on your machine, and then we'll go from there. But as you can see with these different shadings on the top of the bagel, on the left hand side, the left star looks really dark. I kind of like that, but the right star on the right looks like a lightly etched look to it. So both of them are really cool. It just depends on which look you're looking for. If you want that lighter one, I wouldn't go with the center one because that one just doesn't look good in my opinion. And then on the right side, the inside of the bagel, I wouldn't go with the left star because that kind of is getting too much of a burn. I would either go with the bottom or the right star. The right star is pretty light. It does give it a cool effect, kind of like a cinnamon swirl or something on there, so that might be cool if you guys own a bakery. So I think I'm going to go with the settings for the right star on the right bagel, and then we'll go with we'll just do the light settings for both the top and the bottom, since in this case it's just copied and pasted. So let's go ahead and do the thousand speed and 50 power, and we'll go from there. And then it's just converted to dots and 225 lines per inch like usual. So I'm going to go with that, and then I'm going to actually just delete these stars instead of hitting ignore because it's easier, and we'll just go from there. So let's go ahead and print this off and get this last little bit done. So both of them are going to be the light engrave, and it's going to have that ghosted effect on top and the really light glaze on the center there, and we'll go from there. Alright, there you guys go. You'll hear the laser click in just a second. There it goes. So that's basically a quick look at how you do testing for food material, or you really do this in any kind of material in general. You have the crumb tray out. Kind of went over that briefly, but I'm going to go over an actual tutorial on that later on, once I can use this machine for other materials. So like I said, this is going to be my last food video, unless you guys actually want more in the future, let me know, but I'm going to have to throw that food out afterwards because I'm going to actually use this machine for tutorials from now on because it's easier to access to the window for the vent. It's in a better location for sound, so we're just going to go for there. So let me know if you guys want something else food-wise in the future. But other than that, I hope this helped you guys out who do own a bakery or do want food settings just to show you different steps to get started with. And we'll catch you guys next time with a more widely based tutorial on either the crumb tray or a jig, and we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.